one. You want Americano?
Yes, please.
You hit Americano. You hit Okay, take it off. And you use the TAM. This is just so it doesn't like spill everywhere. You don't actually have to use it if you don't want to. And then you do the tamp. And then you just take it off. And then this thing, I guess it doesn't go all the way, she was saying. You go like pretty tight, but it's not like all the way over, you know? I couldn't get it off the last time. This is the cup you want?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you hit brew. You already got beans in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, brew. Oops. Oh.
It's got two.
Oh, it does the hot water. This is different than the latte. So it does your hot water first for the Americano. For the latte, it does the espresso first, and then you put your milk here. But for the Americano, they still do water first. And I think that's it. Then the espresso comes out, and that's it. Yeah. But the latte, the espresso's first, and then the milk's the last step in here. And so you have your milk, you put it in, it goes on the sensor, it foams it.
Dark, rich, beautiful blue coming out every single time.
And this isn't even the right espresso. She has something got white roast. But it's still good.
Yeah, well, she couldn't get beans, so
Okay, yeah. That's it.
Gorgeous.
Espressos, you just tap what you want and it does the rest. The milk frother is my favorite part because it gives that creamy, silky foam without me doing anything fancy, and cleaning it, shockingly simple. The machine walks you through the steps so you don't have to guess. Whether you're rushing to get kids ready, working from home, or just craving a moment of peace before the chaos starts, this Breville has made my morning something I actually look forward to. Now I can sit by the tray and enjoy.